If you want to turn on microphone access for an app on your iPhone, it's very easy to do through Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, look for Microphone and tap on that. You'll now see a list of apps that can request microphone access. Simply toggle on the app you want to allow microphone access for. If you don't see the app listed here, simply open the app once. For example, I will open LinkedIn. Then try using a feature like calling or the microphone. Here, I will use the microphone to send a voice message. After that, the Settings option will appear. Tap on it and enable microphone access. It will usually ask for microphone permission, and you can tap Allow when prompted. It will show depending on the app you're using. And if you accidentally denied permission earlier, don't worry. You can always come back to this same settings page and enable it manually. At any time, you can also turn off microphone access for any app just by switching the toggle off. That's it. Your microphone access is now fully controlled on your iPhone. If this iPhone tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides.